Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kavita Roju, the simple and healthy kitchen. Please share my channel and subscribe my channel. Press bell icon. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you friends. Thanks a lot. Today's motivational topic is every day you have to check yourself how much you reached your goal, how much hard work you have done, and what next step. What is the next step to reach our goal? So what to do and what not to do. And always have a focus on your goal, and always and whenever you wake up in the morning and whenever you sleep, only in your mind is you filled with your goal only. Then only you will get success and you will reach your goal, and you will get respect in the society, in your family. Thank you friends. Please subscribe me and share my channel. Press bell icon.